Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick talk to you about watering your lawn and give you one of the biggest mistakes that people make, something you really got to pay attention to. This is the prime time for heat and drought damage, obviously, in your lawn, so you really need to pay attention and make sure you're getting your watering right this time of year. You want to get it right all year long, but this is the time where you really have to pay attention to it or you're going to see issues with your lawn. So the biggest mistake that people make is not giving enough water per watering to their lawn. When you water your lawn, you need to do deep waterings. It needs to be enough water to really soak down to the root system, soak down into the soil to give it a real good drink of water, so that it can thrive and survive throughout the heat of the summer. So, what that means is you're only going to be doing 3 to 4 waterings per week, but each one of those waterings, you need to be putting out about a ½ inch of water. So your lawn's going to get 1.5 to 2 inches of water per week. That's what you need to shoot for. All of this watering just a few minutes, but watering every single day, that's a mistake. You're just barely giving your lawn a drink of water, and that's not enough for it to thrive and survive. And you're going to have issues if you do that. So don't do that. Don't adjust the number of days that you're watering, but adjust the amount or the time that the stations are actually running, so that you're getting a ½ inch of water down 3 to 4 times per week, and that should be enough to get your lawn through the the heat of the summer. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that? Feel free to let us know. Thanks.